In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Smyths Toys customer support. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to smythstoys.com and now scroll all the way to the bottom to get to the website's footer. Under customer information, we've got an option here that says contact us. Click into that. And now here's the contact us form. So you can read this. So contact us. We've got a first name, last name, email, phone number, order number, subject, and you can put in your query and click submit. But they don't have a phone number here. They've got another email here at cshelpdesk@smythstoys.com, but I can't find any phone numbers on their website. But what is a good place to find numbers is go to Pissed Consumer. I'll just quickly show you now. This site here called Pissed Consumer. It's a great spot to find hard to reach phone numbers or emails of different companies. Now once we're here, go ahead and click on search and type in Smyths Toys. Here it is here with 209 reviews at time of recording. Scroll down, click onto contacts tab. We've got reviews, Q&A, contacts. And there we go. We've got a customer service number here that you can give a call. You can also got some emails here as well.